Hi, I'm Colin, and today we're going to talk about 3 things that you need to know before washing your pavers or hardscape with a pressure washer. When it comes to using a pressure washer to clean virtually any type of hardscape, whether it's asphalt, concrete pavers, or maybe a concrete retaining wall, the most important thing to think about is how much PSI, or pounds per square inch, your pressure washing unit has in order to avoid damage. Now, optimally, we like to see around 1500 PSI. And you can traditionally achieve this very easily with like a residential grade or homeowner grade pressure washing unit, typically an electric one. A lot of those will have an output of around 1400 to 1600 PSI. It may be a slow and less efficient unit, but it will do a good job and minimize the damage you will have. If you have a traditional pressure washing unit like this one, we like to have adjustable pressure on it. That way we can turn it down to 1500 PSI for when we're close and tight with the paving stones, and then we can turn it up when we want to wand it or wash off the entire surface when we're done. If you have a unit like this that doesn't have adjustable pressure, you can still use this to clean paving stones in hardscape. You just want to hold the wand at least 24 inches away and use the widest tip that you have to minimize damage. It's always a good idea, no matter which pressure washer you use, a low PSI one or a high PSI one, with or without adjustable pressure. You want to test a couple of paving stones or an area of your surface first to make sure you're not going to damage that surface before you clean the entire area. If you have to maintain a large area of hardscape, it can be challenging to get consistent results when using a standard pressure washer wand. The reason why is you virtually have to hold that tip at the exact same distance away from your surface to establish consistent results. An easier way or faster way to get more consistent result is the use of a surface washer attachment. On the bottom of these, you have 2 rotating heads that spin at a high speed and can promote very consistent results. You just want to make sure that when you're using these, you establish a good cadence or flow, as if you move too fast, you will leave swirly marks. They're basically clean and unclean surfaces that don't look aesthetically pleasing. If you see those, all you have to do is just slow yourself down and just make sure that area you clean is thorough and nice and clean. On top of that, you still want to watch your pressure. 1500 PSI is still traditionally our sweet spot. If you go anywhere beyond that, you can damage your surface, so make sure before you clean your project that you clean a small area first to make sure you're not losing any large pieces of aggregate or anything like that. You'll still need a pressure washing wand though, as the inset of these heads are about 1.5 inches away from the edge, so you usually use a wand to clean up your edges to get the best results. Now, in the event that you can't locate a pressure washer with around 1500 PSI, or you don't have access to one with adjustable pressure, or you simply just don't want to use a big gasoline-powered piece of equipment to clean your hardscape, you do have other options, like a cleaning product that we like to recommend called SureClean from SEK SureBond. Now, this product is nice because it's a detergent. You basically add a dilution ratio depending on the severity of how dirty your project is. You can see the back of this bottle for details if you ever have a hold of it. You're going to add it to water. Put it on your hardscape, scrub it with a deck brush, and rinse it off till you don't see suds anymore. Now, if you can't access this product, which we know does work on our concrete pavers, there are lots of other concrete cleaners out there. You just want to make sure that you avoid acids and harsh chemicals in there that can affect your concrete. Hopefully you had a chance to see this video before you potentially hurt your hardscape with using a pressure washer. When properly used, a pressure washer is a great tool to utilize to clean various sizes and types of hardscape out there. If you want to learn more about the tools we use in this video and how to actually use them to clean pavers or hardscape, make sure you watch our video, How to Clean Pavers.